Thank you, Mr. Ramesh Narayan. My first president at the Art Club, way back in 1998-99. It has been 13 years. And with every passing year, my relationship with him has always grown. He is one of the few people in the industry. Just by observing, I have learned a lot. Whenever I sit in his company, and when there is time to exit, I always feel that I am a more enriched person. He has poise, he has class, and I have seen that on many occasions. His knowledge about running associations is second to none, uncomparable, absolutely. I have got the highest admiration and respect for Mr. Ramesh Narayan, just as I do for most of the individuals in the industry. My current committee members are all enterprising people. They have been very, very encouraging. And this is one beauty about this advertising, media, and marketing industry, is they don't look down upon you if you have any other skills. In fact, they feel that these are the skills that should be honed, nurtured, harbored, and encouraged. And that's the reason why I've got respect for my committee members who not only encourage me, but come with their wives for my show. It's a great thing. And one of the committee members, a very senior person, I won't name him, says that, Vipin, if you don't organize a show every year, I will say that you are an inefficient person. So I think it speaks volumes about their love for Kumar and the love for me. I'm thankful to all of you. I just wanted to say, today also, all those people who have come, I haven't sold a single ticket today. It is only by invitation. And all those people who have come here, who have gathered here, it is purely because of their love and affection for me, I think, and their love for music and Kumar, the brand as such. There are many people who have told me that we have confidence in you that the songs that you will choose will not be entertaining only, but that is the type of music that we want to learn. Today I am doing the show purely for one reason, that I know how my seniors work here. I know how my friends, some of the friends who are sitting here, working in a very, very senior position, how do they work. So this is the occasion to de-stress. This is the occasion to forget everything, their mobile phones, and listen to music. And believe me, those people who love music, even God loves them. मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि मैं चाहे कितना भी शो बड़ा करना चाहूं, मैं अकेले नहीं कर सकता। एक तो आज हम एक दूसरे को मिले हैं, ये रिश्ता कायम है सुनाने का और सुनने का। तो सबसे पहले मैं शुक्रगुजार हूं उन लोगों का जिन्होंने आज ये इवेंट बड़ा किया है, मेरे साथ जुड़ गए, अनकंडीशनल सपोर्ट। इनफैक्ट 2 or 3 people of those are not here, I think, but they have extended their support, and they always do so. And if I approach them for my personal shows and even for advertising club, they have never ever said no. Is Mr. Maulik Kotak here from Chitralekha? Any representative of Chitralekha here? Because I want to give some mementos to some of my very good friends. I know Mr. Narayan and Manoj Jahangiani from Crompton Greaves is not here. They are very solid support to me. And there's one guy who's here. ये इंसान बड़ा जिंदा दिल है, बड़ा जबरदस्त आदमी है, अपने वादे का पक्का है, इसे मैंने आजमाया है। इसने मुझे एक ही बार कहा था, मैंने तुमसे वादा किया विपिन कि जब भी शो करोगे मैं तुम्हें हेल्प करूंगा। 1 साल पहले कहा था, और आज अपने वादे से मुकर नहीं गया। यह असली मर्दाना आदमी है। जोरदार तालियों में स्वागत करना मनदीप सिंह फ्रॉम मुद्रा। इज मनदीप हियर? आई सॉ हिम। मनदीप, कम ऑन। बड़ा जाबाज इंसान है, ये मेरा दोस्त है, बड़ा प्यारा है। Ladies and gentlemen, I am also going to request Creative Land Asia, Vikram Gaikwad. Hi, Vicky. Ladies and gentlemen, he is the man behind my creatives. Whatever you have seen, it is because of Vikram Gaikwad. And I thank him, his team members Rajendra and Mr. Menezes for the fantastic artwork and the creatives that they have put in. Thank you, Vikram. Thank you very much. He always has been a person who is quite unlike creative guy. He's so unassuming and very, very soft and modest. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm also going to invite the team from Fountainhead. Sayoni and Varun, please come on stage. The backdrop and all the creatives that you have seen are courtesy Sayoni and Varun from Fountainhead. Please come. And last but not the least, today's show is webcasted live all over the world. And my webcast partners are 24 Frames Digital. Is Bhumika around? Please come. Big round of applause for him, ladies and gentlemen. The show is webcasted live today. And some of my friends are going to watch it abroad. थैंक यू। दोस्तों, बहुत लोगों ने मुझे पूछा है कि ये ताकत, ये शक्ति कहां से लाते हो, तुम इतने शो करते हो, ऑफिस में मसरूफ रहते हो, बिजी रहते हो। कुछ लोगों ने तो ये कहा है कि तुम्हारा लोगों से संबंध रखने का स्किल बहुत अच्छा है। ही वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी जनरस, मिस्टर रमेश नारायण। मुझे बहुत लोग कहते हैं, मैं पार्टी में जाता हूं, बहुत लोगों को हाथ करता हूं, मिलता हूं, गले मिलता हूं, तो लोगों ने कहा कि यार तुम इलेक्शन क्यों नहीं लड़ते? मैंने कहा, जिसने लोगों से प्यार से जीता है उसे लड़कर जीतने की क्या जरूरत है। इसलिए मैं कभी इलेक्शन विलेक्शन नहीं लड़ता।